Formula One's not until November. What's the matter with you? Hey, everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas, center strip on the Las Vegas Strip. We're going to visit the Cosmopolitan Hotel and Casino today. In the past, the Cosmo has not been a very vlogger-friendly place to visit. They do not like cameras anywhere in sight. So I'm going to take my chances today. If I get thrown in jail, I can count on you guys. I know I can count on you guys to do a GoFundMe page and bail me out. I was dying to do a selfie in that shoe, but unfortunately it didn't come in a wide. All seriousness aside, and that's pretty much the motto of my entire life, all seriousness aside, from what I understand from other vloggers, the Cosmopolitan has lightened up with regards to photos and videos taken in the hotel and casino. Of course, there are rules in a casino where you can and cannot photograph and take videos. But most likely they've lightened up because of the new ownership of MGM, which has owned the place for over a year now, I think. Not much has changed, but and I don't know of any changes coming, but from what I understand operationally, they are slowly changing policies around here. All that being said, I decided to stop off at the upper levels of the lobby first, which is where all these nice restaurants are, just to get a feel for security while I'm up here as I work my way down to the casino. Lots of really nice restaurants up here. Up here you'll find Beauty and Essex, which offers unique sharing plates and a new twist on classic cocktails in a speakeasy-like setting. Red Plate, another restaurant up here, offers an unparalleled dining experience grounded in authentic Chinese flavors. And we also have Scarpetta, which is a earthy yet modern approach to Italian cuisine. Scarpetta serves a pleasurable and soulful menu of seasonally inspired fare. There's a place up here that serves pizza. It really doesn't have a name. It's just pretty much known, I guess, as Secret Pizza, kind of like a speakeasy for pizzerias. But again, not much of a secret anymore. Just about everyone knows about this place. No chairs inside. You have to go down this hallway, and once you get your pie, you have to pretty much come out here and eat it. And like I said, judging by the line, not a secret anymore. This is Zuma. Zuma serves modern Japanese cuisine and award-winning cocktails in an elegant and sophisticated environment. Most people call this STK, but some people call it steak. A new take on the traditional steakhouse, STK offers a flirty, bustling bar scene, an inspiring menu, and a sexy, energetic dining atmosphere. Okay, so we went down one level just now, and we're on the second level, the casino being the first. We're working our way down there. But on the second level, you'll find shops as well as more dining, but it's a little bit more casual. And we'll also walk down the hallway and see the Chelsea Tower. There are two towers here at the Cosmopolitan, one being the Boulevard Tower and the other one being the Chelsea Tower a little bit further back. And later in this video, I'll show you what the rooms and suites look like in both towers, so stay tuned for that.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
This is Egg Slut. If you like eggs, this is the place to come. They serve up eggs in all kinds of fashions. I particularly don't like eggs, but if you do, you gotta check it out. By the way, a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Frankie the Flip Flop in my latest Jersey Shore video, Brigantine. Congratulations, Robert. In case you're wondering, the Cosmopolitan opened in 2010. It's only 13 years young, and it's located just south of the Bellagio on the west side of the Las Vegas Strip. It's owned by the Blackstone Group and operated, as I said earlier, by MGM Resorts International. This big purple chandelier belongs to the Chandelier Lounge, a very popular lounge here on the Las Vegas Strip. It's several stories high. It starts downstairs in the casino and ends up here. It's a beautiful lounge, very popular. This is Holstein's. They were part of my Las Vegas Burger Challenge. I'm not going to tell you who won that. You have to watch the video. But Holstein's does serve up some pretty delicious crafted burgers, riffs on traditional American snacks, a wide selection of craft and draft beers, and a list of signature bamboozled, alcohol-infused milkshakes. Crazy milkshakes. And here we have China Poblano, an innovative concept from Chef Jose Andres. China Poblano presents the flavors of Mexico and China to create a breakthrough restaurant experience. This is the Marquee nightclub and day club, a very popular club here on the Las Vegas Strip, always a line out the door. DJ Pauly D from the Jersey Shore, you remember that show, DJ's here a lot, and he's a good spinner, and he's from the Jersey Shore, so good times guaranteed. He's actually from Providence, Rhode Island, but we'll keep that our little secret. This is Cosmopolitan's Block 16 Urban Food Hall, kind of like a food court kicked up a notch. World-renowned chefs offering up their talents in a little bit more casual atmosphere. I think I've eaten at every restaurant here at Block 16. I'm going to have to go back to my videos, older videos, and check it out, but pretty sure I've hit them all here. Some of the restaurants here at Block 16 include Bang Bar by Momofuku, that sounds dirty on so many levels, District Donut Sliders and Brew, Ghost Donkey, which is a speakeasy restaurant, Haiti B's Hot Chicken, Lardo, and Tika Bar, Hand Roll, and Sake. This is that speakeasy I was just talking about, Ghost Donkey Mezcal and Tequila Bar. Don't tell anyone about it. We'll keep it our little secret. This is Monogram, a nice little gift shop here at the Cosmopolitan. Most of our visit so far has been in the Boulevard Tower, but we're getting closer and closer to the corridor, I guess you would call it, that takes us to the Chelsea Tower. We'll walk down that in a minute. This long corridor all the way to the Chelsea Tower has some pretty interesting artwork, so at least it has that going for it, including those 10-foot tall Do Not Disturb door signs. Cosmopolitan's known for their Do Not Disturb door signs, and they're pretty collectible. Not, of course, that I collect them, but I do have to say I managed to get some of them home. They must have fallen into my suitcase while I was packing. We're now about 7 or 8 miles from the front door of the Cosmo. Okay, so I might be exaggerating a little bit, but keep that in mind if you're getting a room at the Chelsea Tower. Here we have the Wicked Spoon Buffet, a pretty popular buffet here in Las Vegas. It's open now, but just not when I visited. Hold on tight. Also upstairs by the Wicked Spoon was the show Opium, or actually it's now called OPM. They had Google search issues with the name Opium. That's there, as well as the restaurant Super Frico. Now the restaurant Super Frico and a show similar to OPM will be opening in Atlantic City at Caesars. I could never make up my mind if that moving art at the front desk is attractive or creepy. And right between the front desk and the beginning of the casino is the Vesper Lounge. And right between Vesper and the casino, we have Bean, a little cafe. And here we have Click Bar and Lounge right off the casino floor. I've stayed here at the Cosmopolitan. I don't know if I've mentioned that yet. About a year and a half, 2 years ago, I was in the Chelsea Tower. Beautiful views. I had a great stay, by the way. Beautiful views of the fountain, the Bellagio fountain next door. And the only issue I had, again, was that long walk. Now, not that I'm afraid of walking, but it does take a lot of time to walk from the hotel tower to the front by the Strip. So just keep that in mind again if you're getting a room in the Chelsea Tower. Also, getting coffee in the morning, another walk. This is the Henry best French toast I've ever had. That's in another video somewhere on this channel. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.